actually the first time I'm waking up this early in a long time because I usually sleep around this time and then wake up at 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. But since school is starting tomorrow, I need to adjust and go back to my usual school sleeping routine. My eyes are probably black right now because of my poor sleeping schedule, so I'm trying to change that and look a bit healthy. I probably look sick. I'm just going to give you guys a quick update. This is the first time I'm vlogging in 2023, so I forgot to tell you guys Happy New Year. I'm sorry for being late. I don't know why. Like, usually when it's school holiday times, I become so lazy, mostly winter. It's because it's so cold. I can't leave my bed. My bed is just so warm. It's really hard to leave my bed. But anyways, school is starting. I'm hoping maybe I'm going to be a little bit more productive when school starts. I have been thinking about content. I usually like come up with content ideas. I write them down in my book, but then it's just the execution that's the problem. If I'm being honest with you, there hasn't been so much going on in my life. It's just been a normal life. Nothing major has happened where I can point out that, oh no, I did this happened. For today, I plan on going to see my friend Muchala. She just came back from Zambia some months ago. She was here like last week and we made plans to meet and try out some food. I will be meeting around 2 p.m. and then yeah, we're just going to chill and then I'll come back and then school starts tomorrow. So let me just do my laundry and get going. Catch you guys later. So I just finished taking a shower and I'm going to fix my hair. I already gelled my hair. Oh my god, it's white. This is what I hate about gel in China. It usually makes your hair look white. But anyway, I'm going to fix that. I didn't want to wear a wig because I just didn't want to wear a wig. I am going to be using this Mali hair just to make my hair look bulky and natural.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. Me and Mr. Tell me there's a and I just want you. And I need no one's hurt. I look in my eyes, not the best.
So it looks so sunny, but it's actually really cold. I just dropped off a station, one station away from Muchala's school. I'm waiting for her here. And my battery is almost dying. I wish I had a camera, guys. Like, I've been planning on buying a camera, but the devil just works so hard for me not to get a camera. Like, I need money. If you want to sponsor me, you can just send me some cash, some dollars. Anyways, I'll wait for her till she comes. Oh, sister, sleeping. She's finally here.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Peep the drip, peep the hot bros.
Let them drip your drip.
Oh.
Peep
They
the
need to
drip.
peep my drip. Yeah, so we're going to our lunch date. Yeah,
What?
my face looks okay.
Yeah. I didn't even do my face.
I'm practicing for school. This will be like my everyday makeup look. So, I can't even do makeup.
Me too.
You look like a pro when you do your face.
Thank you.
So, okay, let's go to that place I was telling you about. These top floors are not even they're like the ground ones. They're more lively and
Where's the restaurant? On
the restaurant is not even at this floor. What are you worried about your bums? They are jiggling. That's their job. This is actually way better. Okay, where are you going to put the phone? Huh? That's like, how are they so comfortable even when there's so much people, you know?
Yeah.
So now this is school also. Till we go down, then this will be school. Look, I have to come all the way from that side. My classes are this side.
Yeah.
Wow, going.
From here, you walk to that side.
The bicycle.
Oh, yeah. My space is actually really small then. Which is good, because I don't have to walk that distance. It's cold. It's closed.
Sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad. I don't know what's over me. Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm wild. I don't know what's over me. I don't know what's over me. I'm overthinking everything. That time me feel like nobody can understand the way I feel. Cause I am fucked up totally. I don't know how to keep company, so I've been drinking cognac. I've been drinking too many shots of cognac. One for the belly and another for the broken heart. 3 for addiction, 4 so I don't go back. Looking for somebody with fit watch my shoulder.
Yeah, like today she has a friend. Yeah, I want you to hold out the palm of your hands. Why don't we leave it at that? The music in here is banging, and everything gets in the way.
How are the spaghetti noodles?
In this world, it's just us.
Where is this Gamaso?
Thank you.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Good morning. I just woke up. It's not even morning. It's 12. I'm going to collect my parcels.
Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance.
Shit.
Not nobody's penis. Be a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my beans. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay.
So I finally got my parcels and I want to unbox them with you guys. So the first thing I got is a rack. I want to be putting my clothes and I don't know what the name of this thing is, but it's like a stand that rotates. Mostly it's like for shooting reels or for shooting adverts for like shoes products. I'll show you guys when I unbox it. Yeah, so today I didn't have class. I have class in the evening, so I'm kind of like rushing and trying to do the things that I have to do in the time that I have, which is right now the time is 13:23 and I have class at 18:30. So I have to unbox this and assemble my rack, then shoot some reels. I have 2 reels that I have to shoot and then go to class. I think I'll do that in the time that I have, and edit the videos plus edit this video. So yeah, let's unbox.
Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna romp. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend.
So this rotating stand can only hold 30 kgs and I'm a 48. So I want to see if it's going to work out. If it doesn't, I'll send it back and hopefully buy another one when I have the money. Let's see.
If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move.
Okay, it's working, but it's too slow. I was hoping it's going to come with like a remote so that I control the speed, but it's fine. I'm still going to use it.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah.